What's encouraging me right now is not so much the scale. What's encouraging me right now is just the fact that I felt like crap. When I was eating bad, I tried to work out. Not to like, oh, I want to burn it off or whatever, but I just still wanted to work out and I felt like crap. Hey guys, feel free to subscribe and follow. And don't forget to share. Don't forget to share, please. All right, guys, enjoy the show. Are you tired of setting New Year's resolutions that don't last past February? Let's talk about why those goals fail and how to set fitness goals that actually stick without adding more stress to your already busy life. Okay, as busy women, we often juggle so much: family, work, and everything in between. So how do you make time for your health and fitness in a way that's realistic and sustainable? That's what we'll be talking about today. Alrighty, so I'm gonna hit on a lot of stuff and I'm gonna say some stuff in between or afterwards about this, but it's very, very New Year's to me should help spark things and start things off and, whatever. But it's hopefully you'll be able to maybe lose a substantial amount of weight this year and then be able to have more control of it. So you gain weight over the holiday season, but not too much. That's my idea. I mean, realistically, let's be serious. We want to have fun. We want to enjoy the holidays. We want to be too restricted when it's a holiday time. But if we can figure out ways as the year goes on, like say we lose, tons of weight, let's say whatever it is. And then when it comes to holiday time or, summertime, we gain maybe 5-10 pounds and we can easily lose it again and not just get out of control. And then there's a snowball effect and then we lose control altogether and don't work out, don't go back in a diet. That's what I'm hoping that people will be able to change. Okay, so you lose tons of weight, keep it off. Holiday comes up, summer comes up, whatever it is, and then you're able to control yourself. So yes, you gain some weight, but then you know how to control yourself to get back on track. Do you wanna? If you're somebody that wants to I want to be strict. I don't want to go back and forth. I want to be strict. I want to be regimented. That is fine. But for me, myself, I know I want to have fun. I want to enjoy my life, and I feel like 99% of people want to do that too. And if you don't, that's perfectly fine. Okay. Hi, I'm Shane. I'm your go-to personal trainer and nutrition coach. My mission is to help busy women like you simplify fitness and nutrition so you can feel confident, strong, and energized without spending hours in the gym or kitchen. Okay, so today I'll break down practical strategies to help you set realistic goals for the new year. Goals you can actually achieve and maintain no matter how busy life gets. Okay, so we'll start with the first one. The first point. Okay, so start small and specific. Okay, New Year's fitness goals fail because they're too big or vague. Instead of saying I'm going to lose weight, try saying I'll work out for 20 minutes 3 times a week. Small, specific goals are easier to stick with. Okay, so what's one fitness goal you've set in the past that felt too overwhelming? Comment below, because there's tons of time when, I want to lose 20 pounds in 2 weeks. That's usually how long New Year's resolutions last. So most of the time people saying I want to lose 20 pounds in 2 weeks. That's unrealistic. Okay, and you definitely can't sustain that, whatever it is, for too long, because you have to make a big drastic change, even if you're going to do something like that. Okay, point 2, prioritize consistency over perfection. It's not about being perfect. It's about showing up consistently, even if you only have 10 minutes. That's better than nothing. Remember, consistently builds habits, and habits lead to results. Okay, try schedule your workouts like a meeting on your calendar, non-negotiable. Okay, how many times do you have a meeting? You can't miss it. So do that, or compare a doctor's appointment, and I have heard people say to me, Shane, I would not come in or I would not train or whatever, and unless I have an appointment with you, and speaking of appointments, one client today was talking to somebody else and came up with the idea. I usually say this for people to drink more water, to set an alarm on their phone to drink more water. But my client said it's best to set an alarm when to eat, because I know tons of time people get too busy, depending on where you work, and you lose track of time, and it's like, oh my God, it's already 5 o'clock or whatever, and I only ate breakfast today, and unless you're intermittent fasting or something like that, having long periods of not eating is a problem. Okay. All right. So putting in your calendar, making appointments, if you will, to go to the gym or do something 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and build from there. Point 3, focus on what works for you. Forget what everyone else is doing. Your goals should fit your lifestyle. If you hate running, don't force it. Love dancing, make that your workout. Okay, and I can't stress that enough. So hey, what's one activity or workout you actually enjoy doing? Let me know. Comment below. I'd love to hear it. Okay, so these are the things that, you see something on social media or whatever, and you really don't like it, but this person, oh my God, they look amazing. That's what I need to do to look like them or whatever. And this is absolutely right. It's not gonna, I feel like fitness journey is more subjective, and it's just what you feel that you need to do. As long as you're moving, you're challenging your body physically, you will see results, okay? As long as you're doing that, doing something that you enjoy is going to even make it even better. Okay, so whether it's dancing, whether it's, if you want to do CrossFit, if you want to do bodybuilding or just general weightlifting or take classes, do Zumba, whatever it is, as long as that fits you and your lifestyle. Same thing with nutrition. If you feel like there's no way in hell I can eat everything like breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or I don't like breakfast or whatever it is, maybe intermittent fasting is best for you. But like I said, with intermittent fasting, make sure that you're getting all your calories in that window that you have. So these are those things you have to kind of realize. Maybe you might be lucky and find a partner, but gym to kind of do that for you, kind of work with you or whatever, but maybe not. But if that person doesn't align with what you're interested in, don't force it, because eventually you're not going to go with that person anyway. You're going to stop working out, trying to work out with the person and do what you have to do. You know what I'm saying? All right. Next, point 4, track your progress and celebrate small wins. Tracking progress doesn't have to mean obsessing over the scale. Celebrate the fact that you stuck to your goal for a week or tried a new workout. Small wins matters. Okay, it absolutely does. If you always go for the big thing or whatever, it just eventually is gonna suck, because it's gonna be unattainable or something that be very discouraging for you. Okay, so let me ask you this: what's a small win you're proud of from the past week or month? Drop it below. Ever since you started, just New Year's resolution just started now. So what's a small win that you have already? Okay, could be anything where it may be. Okay, so in conclusion, to kind of recap, so to start small, specific, focus on consistency over perfection, make your goals work for your lifestyle, and track your progress to celebrate small wins. These steps will help you set realistic fitness goals that actually what's encouraging me right now is not so much the scale. For me to be on my journey, what's encouraging me right now is just the fact that I felt like crap. When I was eating bad, I was letting pretty much the holidays get the best of me in a sense. And it felt good going down, but when I tried to work out, not to I want to burn it off or whatever, but I just still wanted to work out, and I felt like crap. And I got tired of feeling like that this December. I had 2 weddings on the 15th and then on the 31st, New Year's Eve wedding. Then I had my birthday on the 17th. Then you got holidays, all these different things that are coming. It was, of course, Christmas, so there's a lot of things happen, actually. So anyway, I wanted to work out. It was hard for me to do things. Burpees I couldn't do. I could do. I did them all. I did everything I had to do, like my HIIT class and everything, but I just felt like crap. I didn't feel like a well-oiled machine. I felt like crap. So that's one of the reasons why I couldn't wait to start doing my meal prepping, start watching what I eat better. And when you eat bad, you are what you eat, and what you put in your machine or your body affects you. So I'm happier now. I'm absolutely happier now, and I just feel more comfortable in myself. Am I starting to see the weight drop on the scale? Yeah, but it was like I said, I'm not having that much salt, and my fiber intake's a lot more. So it is what it is. But it's a beautiful, it's good. I feel better, but like I said, that's one motivational thing. But then as time goes on, I can't wait to see what the scale says on Wednesday from my weekly check-in. But I'm happy I'm doing it, and I think that a lot of people feel that way, as long as they're not going for I'm not gonna be happy until I lose that 10 pounds. I'm not gonna be happy until I use that. No, 10 pounds is not that is big, but I mean, saying lose that 20 pounds, I'm not gonna be happy. I'm just gonna look at the scale. Small, specific wins. You'll be in such a better mood if you do so. Alrighty, so let's see. And I mean, I think I paid up my chin on everything I wanted to say. I mean, I have a good feeling about this year. My New Year's resolution for this year is actually comment below. Comment below, let me know what your New Year's resolution is for this year. But my New Year's resolution is practicing or improving my networking abilities. You know, I feel like I don't network enough, you know, and to get to know people out there and all that kind of stuff and be able to build better partnerships with people. So I think that I have to work on that. I mean, besides maybe more public speaking and stuff like that to make this better and cleaner and, you know, what have you. But I want to be able to practice more when it comes to networking. Because it's times for me, like I'm working. I don't want to talk to nobody. I just want to go home. I want to be with my family. I want to hear, you know, my son, you know, talk about some foolishness or whatever he's talking about. Because he'd be talking about some foolishness all the time. I mean, he's 4 years old, but we were driving home today and he was just talking about some foolishness. I don't know what he was talking about. But anyway, I said, yeah, baby, that's good, and whatever. But either way, I have to practice that. I have to do better at that. Create partnerships, good partnerships as well, not just random partnerships, and something that can help me grow and, you know, take me further. All right, so next week's live stream will focus on confidence in the gym, overcoming intimidation, and owning your space. If you miss any part of the live stream, catch the replay in the group, and don't forget to leave a comment. I read every last one of them. I really do. Okay, thank you for joining me today. Alrighty, if you found this helpful, be sure to watch the replay. Share with someone who might need to hear this message. Remember, prioritizing yourself is a choice you'll never regret. See you next time. Are you ready to transform your health and wellness journey? At Kadapa Strength, I'm committed to helping you achieve your goals through my 3 pillars for results. First, I educate, equipping you with essential knowledge to understand your body and its needs. Then I execute a tailored plan, ensuring every step is personalized to your unique lifestyle. Finally, I encourage, providing accountability and support every step of the way. Get ready to unlock your full potential and thrive in every aspect of your life. Visit me today and let's embark on this journey together. Check me out at kandapastrength.com.